Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here today, or tonight, for a night run of this guy right here. I know it doesn't look familiar because this thing is it has a different body on it. This is the Pirates 2 from Banggood, and this guy, I found this punch buggy cover for it on Amazon, and I haven't really showed this on the channel too much, but I did have some on-road tires for this thing. So I was running this thing as an on-road vehicle, and I was having a lot of fun with it, but the pinion gear is really small. I think it's a 13 tooth pinion gear on it, and so it's not that fast at all. Even on 4S, it's not that fast. That's with the smaller wheels anyhow, with the on-road wheels. And so I've been thinking about like a 20 tooth pinion gear or something like that to get this guy some speed when I'm running it with on-road tires. But I really like this truck. This thing is awesome. The suspension is really nice on it. The shocks are oil filled, and they're really hefty oil filled shocks. And I just got these new wheels because I had broke one of the wheels. The wheels were exactly like these though. Actually, I got these off Amazon, but they turned out to be the same exact wheels that came on this thing. And so I purchased this wheelie bar for it off Banggood. Didn't come with it. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see the original motor that I put on this thing from the original video. I added my own electronics in it. This came as a roller when I first received it, and so the motor and the ESC that I put on this thing are both waterproof, but they only support up to 5S. So I thought that was weird too, that it goes up to 5S and not 6S. But I do have some 5S batteries. Well, one actually that can fit in here. But tonight I'm running it on 4S. And I did add a light system to this thing. So it does have lighting. Let me turn it on so you guys can see that. So it has white lights here. It has yellow lights on the sides here. And then it's red lights in the back there. So I have my light on for the camera, and so that's why you probably can't see the lights all that well. But let's get this guy running. I've been itching to run it since I got these new tires for it, and swapped it back over to an off-road setup, but we're running it on-road in this parking lot here. Let's get it. I do need to upgrade the servo on this thing. See, it has a weak servo just like the X-Max. But this guy does have some get up though. Check it out. You need some belted tires on it. I did have a problem with losing some screws. So you have to make sure you lock tight all of the screws and everything from these Banggood models like this. ZD Racing it is. So So it's a little faster with these bigger wheels on it. As you can see, this thing wheelies on demand. Oh, flipped over on me. See, I don't want to try to rock it over and mess up the top. I should have brought the GPS out here to see exactly how fast this thing goes. Whoa! Front wheels are ballooning like crazy. Some belted tires will definitely do this thing some justice. Oh, yeah, it seems like oh, it's raining out here now. Thought I felt a couple drops. Oh. You know, I did swap out the receiver on this thing. I'm now controlling it with my turbo racing receiver. Oh, not the shopping cart. Yeah, these tires balloon a lot. Oh, and it looked like I lost a screw. So, like I said, this thing is notorious for losing screws. This time I lost the screw right here. A little shoe screw that goes in there on the steering cup. And so I guess that's going to conclude my run. My little night run of this guy. It's a lot of fun, but you definitely got to make sure that you Loctite all of the screws. I don't think I Loctited these here. So I guess I'm gonna have to find a replacement screw to go right here and Loctite it. It's the ZD Racing Pirates 2. Thanks for watching.